Well, hello there everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hayley. Today we're going to take a look at the Lookfantastic beauty box for April. This one is worth £55 and it's heavy. I'm surprised that it's worth less, but it's so heavy. Let's take a look what's inside. And there's what it looks like inside, full of goodies. So I'm going to take this one on top first. So this is Umberto Giannini. I always say this wrong. I always say Umberto Gianni, but it's Umberto Giannini Heat Shield Frizz Control Heat Protecting Spray. And it says maximum style without the damage for diffusing, curling, air wrapping and straightening. And this is a full size, I think. So this is worth £9 and it is 200ml. And to use it, it says before styling with heated tools, shake before use, spritz through damp or dry hair liberally from root to tip, and then you go about your styling. So that's a good one, isn't it? A full size. And then what have we got next? Let's have a look. So it looks like we've got a sheet mask. This is Beauty Pro Bakuchiol. I think that's how you say it. Bakuchiol Natural Retinol Alternative Facial Sheet Mask. Wow, that sounds good. So this is worth £6 and that's full size. Just one sheet mask in there though. And this one says, ensure all makeup is removed and cleanse the skin to prepare for mask application. Remove the mask from the packaging and carefully unfold the mask. Place on your face and ensure good coverage. Wear for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes has passed, remove the mask. It doesn't say to rub in the remnants. On a lot of them it says to rub it in after, doesn't it? So I would think you'd rub that in afterwards to make the most of it. So that's another nice one there. Looks like we've got something from L'Occitane. So this is Almond Sublime. This is a soothing milk concentrate. So that's like a lotion for your body, and this is a 20ml deluxe size and it's worth over £6. I'm excited to see what this is like. I wonder if this is new because they've got the almond range, haven't they? But this is Almond Sublime. So let's see what this is like. I wonder if it smells different. Oh, it's very thin. I can't remember if the other one was really thin anyway. And it smells lovely. It just smells like the normal almond stuff though that I've always had before from L'Occitane. But it has got a beautiful smell. I do like the smell of the almond range from L'Occitane. And that's a good little size. You'll get a couple of goes out of that. Then let's get the other one. I can see there's a pair here. So what is this? This looks like a little hand cream. It is a little hand cream. And this is worth £4 and it's 10ml. Let's put it on this hand. That feels a little bit thicker than the body milk. And it has the same smell and it feels lovely. I really do like the almond range. So I'm happy to have those too. They're so cute, aren't they? And they're good to take in your handbag and then it won't get weighed down too much, will it? I like these and they do last a little while as well. So what have we got next? I can see something I'm really excited about. This is Manicurist and it's called Active Shine Treatment and it's worth £16 and it's 15ml, a full size. And I'm really excited because I have got one of these and I'm like halfway through it. I use it all the time. It's so nice. It's got such a lovely fine shimmer in it. I'll see if you can see it in there. I don't know if you can see it. It really does have a very fine shimmer. So I'm really looking forward. Can you see it now? Yeah, there it is. I'm looking forward to using this one. Oh, I've got 2 now, like 1.5, because one of them's half empty. I'm really pleased to get this. I do love Manicurist, love it. Really pleased with that one, and that one was worth £16. And then I'll take this little one. This is Alien Extra Intense. I keep thinking, have I got a little one of these? So this is by Mugler. Fiery Jasmine and Vanille Accord and an Extreme Cashmeran. Brave the Floral Frill. Floral Woody Eau de Parfum Intense. And there's the picture. 1.2ml. Let's have a spray. I think I've got this one, a little dinky one, and I do love it. I'm not sure, have I got this? I have got something like, I think it is this. That is really nice. I really like it. I know it's not to everybody's taste though. Some of these, I don't think my mum would like that. She's not keen on Alien. She likes Angel, and I have Angel as well, and I like both. But I think, do I prefer Angel? Depends what mood I'm in, I think. I like both, and this is really, really nice. But I think it's one that most people, I'm going to say most people because I wear what I want when I want, and the same goes for eyeshadows as well. I just go out like this 24/7. I don't care, and I wear whatever perfume I want whenever. But I think a lot of people might think that's an evening one because it's quite strong. It's quite in your face, that one. It's not really a daytime one. And then there's one more thing in here, and this is Kanzen, and I've never had this brand before. So this is called Hypochlorous Cleansing Spray, and it's a full size, and it's worth £14, and it's 125ml. And it says Hypochlorous Cleansing Spray, a lightweight hypochlorous spray that gently removes impurities from the skin. So do you spray it on and wipe it off? It says directions: spray liberally onto skin and leave to dry naturally. Apply after cleanser, before serums and moisturisers. Use daily, morning and night. Can be applied over makeup and other skincare products to refresh the skin. Oh, it doesn't have many ingredients. That's good. It just says aqua, sodium chloride and hypochlorous acid, and that is it for the ingredients. So that is going to be a lot better for you than most things, I would think. The less ingredients the better if you're looking for that sort of thing. I'm going to have a spray. So I think this is like a toner and like a refresher spray for during the day, and I love that sort of thing. Let's see if it smells. I would imagine it doesn't. Can't really smell anything much. I don't think that smells. I'm going to spray it on my face. Oh, it's quite a... It hasn't got as fine a mist as some. It reminds me of swimming pools. I kind of like it. I go swimming a lot. I love swimming. Oh, I swear it smells like chlorine. Because look, it says hypochlorous. And it did make me think of chlorine when I read it. Maybe I'm imagining it. But it smells like chlorine, and it's like a comforting thing to me because I grew up in the pool, like swimming a lot. Oh, I love it. I love it. Some people might not like that though. It smells like a swimming pool to me. Oh, I'm going to do it again. Yeah, I can smell pool. I love it. I really like it. Some people might not like that though. They might be like, I don't want to smell like chlorine. But yeah, I really like that. So that was a good one to end on. That's a good one to refresh yourself in the summer months. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy that one a lot. I really like that. Oh, it's so funny. Most people really don't want to smell like chlorine, do they? But yeah, I love that. So tell me what you think of the box. Did you think it was any good? Are you thinking of getting it this month? Let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, because that really helps me out and it helps me to make more footage for you. And I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.